How'd you like it? How'd you like it? What are you doing down here?
I just wanted to talk to you.
Okay, let's talk. What do you want to talk about?
I can't really remember.
You can't remember?
No, I can't.
Maybe it was about Danny. Maybe it was about him. I think we should discuss Danny. I think we should discuss what should be done with him.
What should be done with him?
I don't know.
I don't think that's true. I bet you've got some very definite ideas about what should be done with Danny. And I'd like to know what they are.
Well, I think he should maybe be taken to a doctor.
You think maybe he should be taken to a doctor?
Yes.
When do you think maybe he should be taken to a doctor?
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible!
Jack. Please.
You believe his health might be at stake.
Yes.
You're concerned about him.
Yes.
Are you concerned about me?
Of course I am.
Of course you are. Have you ever thought about my responsibilities?
Oh, Jack, what are you talking about?
Have you ever had a single moment's thought about my responsibilities? Have you ever thought for a single solitary moment about my responsibilities to my employers? Has it ever occurred to you that I've agreed to look after the Oval of Koto till May the 1st? Does it matter to you at all that the owners have placed their complete confidence and trust in me, that I've signed a letter of agreement, a contract, in which I accepted that responsibility?